Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey we all take before we're even born? It's a story more amazing than any fantasy, a 9-month marathon of growth and transformation that turns a single cell into a fully formed human being. Today, let's explore this breathtaking process, the miracle of life from conception to birth. Our story begins with a single moment, fertilization. Out of millions of sperm, only one successfully meets an egg. When they unite, they create a brand new, unique cell called a zygote. This tiny cell holds the complete genetic blueprint for a new person. Everything from eye color to height is already determined. It's the very first chapter of your life story. Within hours, the zygote starts dividing, doubling its cells over and over again. It travels down the fallopian tube and, about a week later, arrives in the uterus. Now, a tiny cluster of cells called a blastocyst, it nestles into the uterine wall. This process, called implantation, is a critical step. It establishes the connection that will nourish the growing embryo for the next 9 months. Now, we enter the embryonic period, a time of incredibly rapid development. The cells start to differentiate, forming 3 distinct layers. One layer will become the skin and nervous system, another will form the digestive system and lungs, and the third will develop into the heart, muscles, and bones. It's like a master architect laying the foundation for a magnificent building. By week 4, a tiny heart begins to beat. Can you believe it? Just 1 month in, this little life has its own circulatory system pumping blood. By week 8, the embryo is about the size of a kidney bean. It has tiny, webbed fingers and toes, and the beginnings of eyes, a nose, and a mouth. All major organs are in place, and it now graduates to the next stage, becoming a fetus. From week 9 until birth, the main job is growth and refinement. The fetus starts to look more and more like a baby. The brain develops at an astonishing rate, forming millions of new neurons every single minute. The fetus can now move its arms and legs, it can swallow, and it even develops reflexes. It can hear sounds from the outside world, like its mother's voice and the rhythm of her heartbeat. Around the middle of the pregnancy, the mother might start to feel those first little flutters of movement, a sign of the active life inside. The fetus develops its own unique patterns of sleeping and waking. It can hiccup, suck its thumb, and make facial expressions. It's practicing all the skills it will need for life outside the womb. In the final trimester, the fetus focuses on gaining weight and preparing for birth. The lungs mature, getting ready to take their first breath of air. The fetus receives important antibodies from the mother, giving its immune system a head start. It usually settles into a head-down position, getting ready for the big day. Finally, after about 40 weeks, the journey inside reaches its destination. The process of labor begins, and through a final powerful effort, a new life enters the world. That first cry marks the beginning of a whole new adventure. From a single, microscopic cell to a breathing, crying, beautiful baby. The journey from conception to birth is truly the most extraordinary miracle of all. Thanks for watching this incredible story unfold with us. If you found this as amazing as we do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our world. See you next time.